next dish in this Moroccan menu is whole fish baked in Moroccan spices. So I have two sea basses here. I slit them on both sides, about an inch, inch and a half apart. And then we'll bake it in this tray in which we have sliced onions, we have sliced large tomatoes, we have sliced lemons, we've put salt and pepper and some thyme leaves. So this will be our base for the fish when we serve it as well. Then we have some more additional lemon slices here. And this is a mixture of harissa, olive oil, salt and pepper, and some garlic. So garlic very thinly minced, or you can say nearly smashed. So that's the mixture here. We will put this mixture onto the whole meat, whole fish here, and then we put these slices inside the cavity, and then we will put it on top of this and keep it in the fridge to marinate for an hour, hour and a half, and then when we are ready to cook it, we'll just put that in the oven for about 30 minutes. But before we put it in the fridge, we'll also salt and pepper the fish. So that's the purpose here. So let's start with putting the paste on the fish. So I'll get some gloves and then we'll put it on. The first thing we'll do is put the paste, the harissa paste, on the fish. So you want to make sure you put it inside the cavity as well. So let's do the one side first and then we can do the other side. Use your hands to make sure that it goes into all the crevices and everything of the fish. Rub it really well, because this is the flavoring that you will get when you eat the fish. And then turn it around and put it on the other side. This looks pretty good, so I'll put the lemon slices in here. And the same thing here. And then salt and pepper. Even though I put a little bit of salt on the paste, you want to really season the fish. Again, this is what will make sure you season the inside as well. Turn it over and then season this side. So then we'll transfer this to this baking sheet and put it in the fridge. So I don't want to waste any of this goodness. So that's it. When we are ready to cook, we'll put this in the oven 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes until the fish flakes, and then we'll take it out. There you have it, baked fish with onions, tomatoes, a little bit of thyme, harissa, garlic and chili. And that's the dish for today.